Hey, what's going on, guys? So today, right here, we are in Guatemala. We have the Toyota Starlet right here, and I'll give you guys a tour. I'll show you guys what this car is all about. It's a very special vehicle. There's not many of them on the road anymore. They're pretty hard to find in the United States. But today we are not in the United States. As you can see, we are in Guatemala. What do we have here? Hey, how's it going, guys? Today we have a very special episode. We are not in the United States. We are in Guatemala, Central American country, right below Mexico, and we have this toy. So this is my dad's car. If you guys don't know about it, it's a Toyota Starlet, denominated by the letters KP from the platform Toyota Publica. This is a 1981 Toyota Starlet. The really special thing about this guy is that it's rear-wheel drive. It's a hatchback that's rear-wheel drive. So it's a very special car. It's a very, very special car. It was completely rebuilt about like 5 years ago. But as you can see, it was repainted. Very, very, very bright red. You can see that. It was just polished a few days ago, so that's why it looks so beautiful like that. The wheels are temporary. The ones that it currently has, the permanent ones, are being repaired. They had some curb rash, so they're being repaired. So these are just temporary wheels. They're pretty ugly, but yeah. So the ones that it has is 14s from an A86 that fits. It's the same pattern, 4x114. But there it is, the Toyota Starlet. Check it out. Mira ese radiador.
Simple. Todo es simple.
Okay, guys, so here today we have a right there you can see it, KP62. This has a 3K engine, 1200 cc, very small, 4 cylinders, very, very small engine, but very nice as well. Original engine. The only thing that it has, is that an original carburetor? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. And you can see that tiny radiator. When do you see a 10-inch radiator? That's crazy. I mean, there's nothing in the engine bay other than there's the engine, there's the radiator, there's the battery, and that's pretty much it. It's pretty crazy. It's pretty crazy. This is connected to a 5-speed manual, obviously, and yeah, I'll give you guys a tour of the inside as well. So there you have it. Right now we have a temporary steering wheel. It'll get its Momo. But yeah, there you got it. Obviously you have your 3 pedals. Like we said, 5-speed. And then we installed some seats from Civic SI 1991. And it has some luggage at the back. But yeah, there's the Starlet. It has its original radio, AM radio, right? No FM, just AM. This is the choke. For those of you guys who don't know what a choke is, you know, for the carbureted cars back in the day, when you do a cold start, you have to be able to maintain the engine and for it to warm up properly. You pull the choke so that it accelerates a little bit more. It's basically like holding the pedal down a little bit. So you hold the choke, and then once it's warm, you put it back where it is so that it warms up properly. Yeah, there you have it.
Pause. If you made it this far, please take a second to subscribe to the channel, or at least drop a like. Anyways, one thing to understand about this car is that it's a very slow car. With barely 70 horsepower, the Starlet needs to be bothered to move. Weighing about 1,500 pounds, the Starlet is a perfect candidate for a 4AGE swap, since a lot of parts are direct bolt-ons from the A86. Being rear-wheel drive, the Starlet is an absolute gem. This specific one has a unique 3K engine with TRD components, and thus it will keep its original engine to respect its classic theme. Let us know down in the comments below if you had ever seen a Starlet before.
The really cool thing, right? I mean, you can see how back in the day Toyota used to use their iconic symbol right here. right here, and everywhere else. I mean, that symbol is everywhere. We don't see it anymore as much, but that is the classic Toyota symbol. Very beautiful. Let me give you a shot from a little bit farther away. Such a cool car. Such a pretty vehicle. I mean, if you look at it from anywhere, it has so much personality. It's something that you do not get to see on a daily basis. It's something very, very, very special. We're gonna close it. As you can see, it's just a very cool looking car.
Here is a picture of the permanent wheels I mentioned previously. This is the daily look of this beauty around the streets. And here are some of the pictures of it with a friend's Land Cruiser, which, by the way, is going to be the next video, so make sure you do not miss that episode next week. Anyways, I promise engine sounds, so here you go.
Entonces la rampa. Ahí va.
The car is such a classic that it doesn't matter how slow you go. You saw in my dad's body language how fun it is to drive and how cool you feel driving it around town. More than a vehicle, this is a friend. And without a doubt, my dad's favorite child. I can't blame him though, just look at it. And on top of that, it does about 40 miles to the gallon in the city. It's perfect. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the Starlet as much as I did. See you guys in the next episode of Big Girl's Garage.